Well, hey everybody, how's everybody doing today? Pretty day here in Texas. I'm just showing off my newest project that I did. My arms feel like they're about to fall off from all the screw, what do you call it? The screws, and then the, God, I'm brain dead after making this thing. Countersink, that's what I'm trying to think of. Countersinking all them holes and everything. But anyway, I got this from Man White's website. Cowboy, how do you like it? You like it? Cowboy. Yeah, alright. Now, on the back it's kind of neat because it's on bolts. And you can take that. It can only go back that far. If you want to go back a little farther, you can take this 2x4, move it back there, and then you can lay down a little more, and then you can take it all the way out and it will lay flat. I'm getting all that sun tanning going on, getting ready for it, y'all. Okay, well, this was a big project for me, but I needed something to match my other one I made. Showed y'all that one anyway. I got the lumber over here, and that's gonna be my next project. Will be a barn door, a single barn door for my bedroom. So, walking around showing you all the sides. Be ready for spring before plants. It doesn't look like they've been chewed up and spit back out again. But anyway, it's coming. It's a beautiful day today. So, anyway, y'all, I hope you're having a good night, a good Saturday, and praying for everybody who's got bad weather up north. So, thank y'all for visiting. If it's your first time to this channel, my name is Becky, and I'd love to have you subscribe. Click the button, ring the bell if you'd like to. I try to make a video every week, but it doesn't always turn out that way. So, thank y'all. I appreciate you, and everybody take care. Bye-bye.